Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we're gonna talk about how you can change About Me on Discord. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so let's begin. And first of all, open up your Discord application on your device and simply log in with your account. After that, open your profile page by selecting the profile icon at the bottom tray. Now select the profile icon, you will be brought to the profile. Here, just click over on user profile. And as you can see the About Me section in front of you. To edit it, simply tap on it and you can change to anything you want. And after changing the About Me, just close it and you're done. And that's how you can change your About Me section on Discord mobile. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.